Jenna heard strange noises coming from inside the wall. She peeled back a corner of the wallpaper and saw a few fingers protruding from the gap. Jenna was terrified. However, when she lifted the wallpaper again, the fingers were gone. She discovered that the wall could be opened, revealing a bag of nutrient solution hanging inside. As another wooden board opened, a swarm of cockroaches emerged. Jenna shone her flashlight into the darkness and was shocked to find a person there. She screamed in horror and immediately sent a message to her companion, urging him to call the police. Little did she know, the boy was already dead. The landlady realized that her secret was exposed and urged Jenna to open the door from outside. Jenna found a tool and hid next to the wall, waiting for the landlady to enter. She viciously struck the landlady's face, knocking her unconscious. Jenna wanted to escape, but discovered that the windows were sealed shut. She hurried downstairs and stumbled upon a hidden passage concealed by wooden boards. Without hesitation, she ran inside. To her horror, she found that the place was filled with imprisoned people.